All right, we're on number 4. What's good about number 4 is that it's already equal to 0. So we don't have to do anything other than identify A, B, and C. So in this case, you have to be careful because A's value is -1. There's a negative here. We put the 1 there. That's a -1. For B, our value is +3. And our C value is our constant. That's +8. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our formula, and we're going to make little spaces for all 3 letters so that we can turn this into a calculator problem. So x equals -b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. And all I'm doing is instead of the letter, I'm putting parentheses so that I can input those where I need to. So we start with -b, so b goes in here, and b is 3. And that goes in the first 2 spots. A goes top and bottom, so A is -1, -1. And then, of course, C goes at the end, and C is +8. So now that we have everything filled in, we can use our calculator to calculate, break this down a little bit. So outside, that's a -3 plus or minus square root. This we have to calculate everything underneath exactly as we write it. So parentheses 3, parentheses squared, minus 4, parentheses -1, parentheses +8. And we get 41. So that's the top. And then the bottom is 2 times -1, which is -2. So those are our 3 things. The outside, underneath, and then the bottom. Now we've got to calculate it into 2 parts. So the first part is our positive, so -3 plus square root of 41. And of course, our second part is -3 minus the square root of 41. So we're going to get these values, and after we get them, we have to take that answer and divide by -2. So let's check it out. -3 plus square root of 41. And I get 3.4031. And then -3 minus square root of 41. -9.4031. So I'm just going out 4 decimal places, so it's enough. And now all I have to do is divide. So 3.4031 divided by -2. -1.70. This one, -9.4031 divided by -2. And I get 4.70. So these are my 2 solutions. If you have any questions, you can always come back and email me or text me and let me know what questions you have. We have 1 more to do, and then you'll be set. You'll be able to do your practice quiz and then take your quiz for the week. 1 more to go.